How to create histogram in Excel. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to make sure that the data you'll be using to create histogram today is ready. And now the next thing to do is to highlight this data, and then you want to go over to insert at the top of your screen and tap on it, and then you want to head over to recommended charts and click on histogram drop down. Now over here you want to look for the way you want your histogram to appear in 2D, 3D. When you find what you like, you just want to tap on it. And guys, you can go ahead and create adjustments to this chart by changing the title. And guys, this is exactly how to create histogram in Excel. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.